Focchi is a family-owned company founded in 1914, and it is considered as a leader in the construction industry specialized in high-tech architectural building envelopes. Focchi's expertise lies in manufacturing bespoke and façade solutions for unique buildings. In particular, Focchi is engaged in the engineering, manufacturing and installation of building envelopes, aiming to oversee every stage, from the design concept to the final on-site installation. In this context, Focchi had the opportunity to be involved in Change to Twin, developing the IRIS project, which aimed to create a cutting-edge solution for managing the manufacturing procedure. A digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical entity, created by integrating real-time data and advancing simulation techniques. Digital twins represent an important technology across several industries. By enabling the creation of virtual replicas of physical entities, digital twins allow for real-time monitoring, analysis, and optimization of various processes and systems. The development of IRIS digital twin solution has transformed our business. By providing real-time insight into manufacturing processes and improving proactive management in logistic tasks, digital twin has improved operations in the Focchi warehouse. Every day, Focchi receives 10 to 15 trucks, and digital twin is crucial for proactive management. When trucks are unloaded, each pallet is geolocated using real-time monitoring sensor and stored in the outdoor warehouse, enabling efficient tracking. For this reason, the worker with its forklift knows exactly where the pallet is and can easily move where and when the production needs it. The data collected in the digital twin are used to support algorithm implementation for warehouse task optimization, using data to define the most proactive scenarios and task assignment, and real-time collision risk alerts, supporting indeed onboard real-time alarms on forklift.
The implementing of IRIS, the digital twin, make us able to develop a whole set of scenarios related to the different projects and define a new situation in order to optimize the picking time, the looking up for components, and the routing time, and all the activities spent by the pickers throughout our storage area. Looking at manufacturing that make us able to reduce the waiting time spent by the assembly line workers waiting for the components to be provided by the pickers, and reducing work content of the units of 12%, reducing the cost and the throughput time of providing our finished unit to the construction site. We have another benefit coming from the reduction of NCR. That means we were able to reduce the number of components that needed to be reordered due to missing from the 3% to 1.5%, reducing the total effort of the company of a huge amount of money, and reducing the stress and the waiting time of the construction site, implementing and optimizing the level of service provided to our customers.
Focchi's production is characterized by a huge variety of products and complex manufacturing processes, which leads to high variability in the range of incoming components that complicate the work of the pickers. The digital twin has been introduced with the aim of facilitating the workers' activities and was developed according to the request of the personnel directly involved in the processes of receiving, locating, and internally moving of the ending unit. The project is designed according to the needs and expectations of warehouse personnel throughout the development process. For this aim, it is necessary a close collaboration with stakeholders through interviews, workshops, and user acceptance testing to ensure that the final product aligns with their requirements and workflows. In this way, it is possible to identify weak points, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement. To sum up, here's a list of digital twins' advantages. Correct location of material, reduction of material search time, increased efficiency, reduction of work-related stress, reduction of the risk factor for accident at work, ability to easily manage changes in assembly sequences, ability to monitor work activity in real time.
Giulia, Iris project gave to our processes a good impact and result. Probably we should investigate new possibilities and extend the digital twin in other areas. What do you think?
Of course, we can introduce digital twin of the shipping area, given the amount of product stored in our facility. In this way, we can reduce time spent to search material and consequently track loading time.